Okay, let us start the classes. Today we are going to finish exercise 8.1. I'll finish most lot here and you can finish the rest for homework. 4 or 5 sums for homework. Okay, it's very easy, the whole of statistics. Actually, we should have done a little faster. No problem. We'll catch up with probability. Okay, yesterday, last class we finished, Saturday we finished mean deviation. Okay, what is mean deviation about mean and what is mean deviation about median, we found out. Then we did one problem on mean deviation about mean.
Okay.
So point data was given, raw data is given. So put the raw data, then find the total of the raw data divided by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is 5. You get the mean. Okay, once you get the mean, then you divide by, then you do that deviation t is equal to mean minus 4,400. I mean x minus 4,000, value minus, you found that out. We did that sum. Okay, so what we did there, the 4,000 minus 4,400 equal to 400. 4,200 minus 4,200, and we found that we are going to use delta. I mean the absolute value, modulus of d. Modulus of d means absolute value of d. Plus or minus sign should be ignored. Everything should be taken as plus. So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Like that you put. Then you get do the sigma for all the variation value. X minus 4,400. It comes to 1,200. And this is not necessary. You don't have to calculate this. Okay, then you divide by n. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, n is 5. So 1200 by 5 is equal to 250. That is the mean deviation about mean. This is for mean. There is a mean deviation about median also. Next example.
Uncle, the symbol change.
The
symbol.
I'm not able to hear you. Again, you have a mic problem. Please correct that mic problem. Last class itself we wasted. If you have come with these kind of problems, then I won't be able to do a good class for you because you are doing online.
Okay, yeah. No.
Good mic, good everything. You have the latest laptop, everything. Otherwise, it will be a problem.
Yeah,
I am
uncle.
doing the best I can. I have a very upgraded high tech Huion graphics tablet. That is why I'm doing all this for you. Okay, and my mouse is also the latest mouse. My the graphics tablet pen, everything is latest, so that I give you the best quality experience. From your side, you must reciprocate. You must not have the old laptop or old thing and something that needs mic and all. Have the latest laptop and work from that.
Right, uncle. Quick question. The symbol is changing. No, uncle.
Symbol is changing. Symbol is changing. You have to take only modulus value. Okay, whatever the symbol, it is minus or plus, doesn't matter. You just have to sum up the modulus. You know what is modulus, right? Absolute value.
Yeah.
Absolute value only you have to take. So no minus, plus and all here. Okay, so mean deviation, this is the thing. So that is why you get 1,100, 1,200. Then 1,200 by 5 by n, that is 240 is mean deviation. Now this is an absolute value. If you want to compare it, this absolute value, you want to compare it, you have to use coefficient of mean deviation. Just like you find quartile deviation and then coefficient of quartile deviation. Remember, this value was absolute. This value is relative. You can compare two data sets using this value, how much they are scattered or how much they are deviating. In the same way, mean deviation by the mean. What is mean? Mean is x bar is equal to 4,400. Okay, so mean deviation is 240. 240 divided by x bar, which is 4,400. Okay, that will give you 0.00055. So if you use calculator, 240 by 4,400, 0.055. So that is the coefficient of mean deviation. You find another data set, and from that data set, if you have coefficient of mean deviation is 0.044, that means this set is more scattered than that other set. Okay, meaning this set has broader values across the central tendency. The deviation is more broader values than the other one, which is more homogeneous. This is more heterogeneous. Like that it means. Okay, you understood? Okay, let's go for example 8.20. calculate the mean deviation about median. This is mean deviation about median. Okay, this is not mean deviation about mean. So what you have to
Okay.
find out first, you have to find first step is find out median now. That previous one, first step is find out mean. Now first step is find out median. Now you have to median very simple. You have to arrange it in alphabetical order. So when you arrange in ascending order, 20, 30, 40, 45, 55, 60, 80. Okay. N value is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is 7. Okay. So N plus 1 by 2. Okay. 7 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4th
8
value.
by 2. Okay, 4.
4th
Yeah.
value is median. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 45. Median equal to 45.
Okay.
This is first step. First step is over. Okay. Then you should go to second step. Median equal to 45. Then you should go to second step. Let us see second step. First step is 45. Okay. Now you have to do second step. Second step is nothing but finding the deviation. Deviation here is value of x minus median minus 45. Okay. This table you have to now find. Okay. So x is 20, 20 minus 45 is equal to absolute value only absolute value. Deviation is only absolute value. Okay. So 20 minus 45 minus 25, drop the minus 25, keep only 25. Same
Okay.
way 30 minus 45, only 15. 40 minus 45, only 5. 45 minus 45, 0. 55 minus 45, 10. 60 minus 45, 15. 80 minus 45, 35. Okay. Now sum up all this, add all this. Get the sigma is 105. Okay, now what you have to do, simple, mean deviation about median is equal to sigma x minus median by n. Okay, that is 105 by how much is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 7. That is equal to 15. Okay, so mean deviation about median is 15. That is an absolute value. You cannot compare it with another data set. If you want to compare it with another data set, then you should take the coefficient of the mean deviation. That is simply nothing but mean deviation divided by median here. So 15 by 45, this will be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333, whatever. So how many ever threes you want to put, you put. That is how they are given. You understood? Very simple. This whole chapter in statistics is very simple. Only thing, it is long, and when it is long, you have to remember which formula to use. Okay. Otherwise, everything is very simple. Only decision you have to take is whether to use geometric mean or harmonic mean or arithmetic mean. Okay. When the values are changing across year to year, then use geometric mean. When the values are kilometer per liter, like that rates, kilometer per hour, when the rates are coming, then you use harmonic mean.
Okay.
When only absolute, no raw data is coming, no rates are coming, no change across year are coming, then use arithmetic mean. Okay. So I have repeated this, very easy to find out when to use arithmetic mean, when to use geometric mean, and when to use harmonic mean. Okay. So this sum also you have done now. Okay. Let us go to next example. Calculate the mean deviation about mean for the following data. What is different here? Here you are not getting only raw data, you are getting raw data with frequency table. Understand? Frequency 2, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, like that. Frequency. Okay. So how to calculate? What you have to do? First thing, you put the horizontal table must first be converted into vertical table. Okay. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, all of that must become 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, like this. This is x, value of x. So all this value of x. Okay. Then this is all the value of the frequency related to x. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to do d of x. Okay. Before that, you have to find the first thing. You have to find the mean. That is why you are finding f of x. Because what is the mean when frequency data is given? It is sigma f of x by sigma f. Remember?
Yeah. Okay.
Bar. Okay. This is all from 9th standard. 9th standard statistics. 9th standard statistics. Sigma f of x by sigma f, or
Yeah, I remember.
sigma f of x by n, whatever, whichever. Yes. N is equal to sigma f. So f is calculated. No, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16, 17 18 19 20. N is 20. Okay, sigma f is equal to n equal to 20. That is given. Now you multiply f into s. Multiply. Okay, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 6 24 40 30 24 14 16. All that is correct. Now you get the sigma for all this. Keep adding all of that. When you keep adding all of that, 160 divided by 20 gives you 8. Okay, so x bar is equal to 8. X bar is equal to 8. That means mean, arithmetic mean is equal to 8. Now you got. Now what you have to do? You have to do new column. Okay, this is for finding mean deviation. This is mean. X bar is mean. X bar minus x bar. Okay, x minus x bar, which is 8. Okay, so here x minus 8. So x minus 8 you have to do. Okay, so x is 2. 2 minus 8 is 6. Why? Because plus or minus you must ignore. Okay, absolute value only. Whenever it comes to deviation, mean deviation, median deviation, all of that, only you'll have to use the absolute value. Remember, again, I'm telling you, this will be a common mistake you will make. Okay, don't make this common mistake. Take only absolute value. That is why it's given like this, absolute value of d. Okay, so that is equal to x minus 8, absolute value of x minus 8. So again, 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8, 4. Minus 4 becomes 4. 6 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. Okay, 12 minus 8, 4. Correct. 14 minus 8, 6. 16 minus 8, 8. Correct. Very good. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply f into d. Okay, f into d. F into d. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 5 into 0 is 0. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 4, 8. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 8, 8. Now you calculate sum of all of this. It comes to 56. Okay, sigma fd is 56. What you have to do now? Sigma x is 56. Now next step, what you have to do? This fellow put it on top. Okay, the formula is very simple. Sigma f into d divided by n. Okay, this is mean deviation. So 56 was sigma fd. So 56 by 20 already same thing. 2.8 is mean deviation. He's not asked for the coefficient. If he's asking for coefficient, then you have to do 2.8, which is the mean deviation, divided by mean, which is 8. 2.8 by 8 will give you coefficient of mean deviation. This will be relative value. You can compare this with another coefficient of mean deviation of another data set 2. Okay, data set 2. Suppose that this is 2.8 by 8 is let us say this is 0.25. Suppose another set is getting 0.35. Data set 2 is giving 0.35 coefficient. That means this one is more closely packed. Okay, scattering is less. So this is more homogeneous about its central value. This is less homogeneous or more heterogeneous. Means it's more scattered, like that. That is the reason why you want to find out coefficients. But in your syllabus, they are not going to give you 2 data sets and ask you to find out which one is more homogeneous. So your life is very simple. Okay, very simple problems only they are giving you, all very easy. Okay, so all the time doing easy problems, that will make also Jack a dull boy. Okay, anyway, but nothing to do, only easy problems are given. So you have to do easy problems. Okay, let us take example 8.22. This is mean deviation about median. Okay, mean deviation about median. So far, mean deviation about mean you have done. And mean deviation about median also, point or raw data only you did. Now you are going to get frequency based data. Okay, so first step 1, what do you do? Step 1 is, if they ask mean deviation about mean, find mean. If they ask mean deviation about median, find median. In order to find median, you have to find CF column. CF is what?
Oh,
CF. Cumulative frequency. You must
okay.
not stare. Okay.
Yeah.
Cumulative frequency. Okay. So
Hmm.
this horizontal table, you first make it into vertical table. Everything
Okay.
data goes down 15, 25, 35, 45, like that, it goes down. Okay, arrange in ascending order because median. Then each of the frequency also you put 12, 11, 10, all that you put. Okay. Now what you do? Cumulative frequency. 12 plus nothing is 12. Okay, 12
Hmm.
plus 11 is 23. 23 plus 10, 33. 33 plus 15, 48. 48 plus 22, 70. 70 plus 13, 83.
83.
83 plus 18, 101.
101.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is what you have got. Then 101 plus 101 plus 19, 120. So n is equal to 120 median. So
Hmm.
n is equal to 120. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th value.
Hmm.
So 121 by 2 is equal to 60.5th value.
Okay.
60.5th வந்து இதுல எங்கன்னு பார்க்கணும், இறங்கி பார்க்கணும். 60.5 fifth value is somewhere here. Okay, between 48 and 70. அப்பனா இந்த ரேஞ்ச் எடுத்துக்கணும்.
55. Yeah.
இதுல வந்து x உடைய value 55. So median is equal to 55.
Hmm.
First step is over. Median is now 55. Okay, you have found out. Now what you have to do? You have to find the deviation is equal to x minus 55. Okay, that column you have to now find out. And then next column will be f into d. Okay, then sigma fd you have to find out, and then divided it by the sigma f, which is equal to 120. You have to divide it by 120. Okay, this one. But when class data comes, that is, you have to find midpoint and all that, then everything becomes different. You have to use formula. Okay, next sum will be class data. Example 8.23 will be class data based. Okay, now what you have done, you got n is equal to 120. Then median you found out was 50. So what you have done, you got the new column. Deviation, absolute value of deviation, or modulus of d is equal to x minus 55 modulus of x minus 55. Okay. So that means every time what you have to do, x minus 55. 50
Okay.
minus 55 is how much? 40. 40, you should not take the 40. You should put only plus 40. 25 minus 55, 30. 35 minus 55, 20. 45 minus 55, 10. 55 minus 55, 0. 65 minus 55, 10. 75 minus 55, 20. 85 minus 55, 30. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to do f into d. F into d. This into this. Like that. You have to put and put here. 12 into 40, 480. 11 into 30, 330. 10 into 20, 200. 15 into 10,
Uncle,
100.
why doesn't the
Yeah.
Why does the symbol change, Uncle?
Why did the
symbol change?
Why did the symbol change?
Yeah. 15 minus 55.
Minus 55. Yeah.
15 minus 55.
Have you never heard absolute value? ABS function.
Okay.
ABS of minus 55 is 55. Okay, ABS of minus 2000 is 2000. ABS of plus 2000 is also 2000. You will remove the plus and minus. You will take only the absolute value.
Okay.
See, it is given here. What does this mean when they put like this? Yeah.
Okay.
Remove the plus or minus. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Add the plus or minus.
Okay.
Only the value only. 15 minus 55 is 40.
Okay.
Minus 40. Remove the minus because you are doing absolute value. You not heard of ABS. That is studied in, I think, 8th standard or 7th standard. ABS of minus x is equal to x. ABS of x is also equal to x. Okay. Absolute value. If you put it in the Excel sheet and see, then you'll also get that. Okay. So only the 65 minus 55, 10, 20. So 75 into 20 is 150. F F into D, 13 into 10, 130, 18 into 20, 360, and 19 into 30, 3 nines are 570. Okay, now you keep adding all of that, sigma FD you take, okay, that is 2220 is coming. Okay, then N is equal to sigma F. Okay, I'll add all the N. 12 plus 11, 22, then plus 10, 32, then plus 15, 47, 57, 67, 69. Okay, plus 13, 79, 82, plus 1800. Somewhere I left off something. 119 is coming. 120 should come. Okay. Okay, 12 plus 11, 23, 33, 48, 58, 68, 70, 83, 91. Yeah.
120. Yeah.
120. Yeah. 120. Okay. So this is coming as 120. That calculation and all will not do. You do it in the original sums. Okay.
Okay.
Now formula is sigma f of d absolute value divided by sigma f. So 2220 divided by 120. If you use calculator, you get 18.5. Okay. Then he is also asking one more thing. What is asking? And its relative measure for the following. What is this relative measure? Relative measure is coefficient of mean deviation. Okay, how do you find that out? Divide mean deviation by the mean or median. Okay, here median. Okay, so mean deviation is about 18.5 should be divided by 55. This is the median. So this is the MD is 18.5. So 18.5 by 55 will be your coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of MD. Okay. So we can see that what they have done. 18.5 55 is 0.34. This is a relative value. Now you can compare this with another data set. Okay, this is a relative value. You can compare this with another data set. That is all there is. Okay, so what was different? First you find median. When you find the median, you have to use cumulative frequency and then n plus 1th value, and correspondingly you read of x. That x will be 55. Okay, so that is a median that you found out. After that, you can get the column x minus d. No, d is equal to x minus median. So x minus 55. You can straight away write x minus 55 because you have written. See, he writes like that. That you can write. Then multiply f of d, fd into multiply f into d, and then get the sigma of fd. Then divide it by sigma f, which is n. Okay, so 2220 by 120. That is only your mean deviation. Coefficient is divide that mean deviation again by the median, then you get, or again by mean. Okay. Now let us look at example 2, 8.23. Find out the coefficient of mean deviation about median in the following series. This is also median. Here also you have to take cumulative frequency, but in this case it is class data. So in class data, x equal to midpoint. Okay. Remember, x is what? Midpoint.
Midpoint.
So, okay, class data is given. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 30 to 40, all of that you put vertically. And then you start doing cumulative frequency. 20 plus nothing, 20. Then 20 plus 25, 45. Again, you have to do that. 20 plus 25, 45. 45 plus 32, 77. 77 plus 40, 117. Plus 42, 159. Plus 35, 194. Plus 10, 204. Plus 8, 212. So n is equal to 212. Okay. Now calculation for median. So n is equal to 212. Now here, because it is class data, you should not do n plus 1 by 2. You should do only n by 2. Okay. Should do only n by 2. Okay, that is 106. Where is 106 here? Not, it's not here, it's not here, it's not here. Inga irukku. So corresponding value you read from that. Okay, you get L is equal to 30. Then PCF is equal to 77. Then F is equal to 40. Okay, PCF equal to 77. Previous cumulative value PCF. Then current frequency is equal to 40. L is lower end equal to 30. Okay, then class value is equal to 0 minus 10, 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. Class interval is equal to 10. Now you apply the formula. Okay, L plus n by 2 minus PCF divided by F the whole into C. Okay, this formula you have to apply. Remember, L plus n by 2 minus PCF by F into C. So when you have all the data, you apply all of that, what you are getting. Please apply that formula. So n by 2 is 106, PCF is 77. Okay, F is 40. F is 40, this value. F is 40, PCF is 77. So 106 minus 77 by 40, class value into 10. 77 by 106 minus 77 is how much? 87, 97, 107. So 39 by 40 into 10. So 390 by 40 it will come. So that 390 by 40 is equal to 7.25. 390 by 40 is equal to 7.25. So 30 plus 7.25 is 37.25. That is a median. Okay. Now you have calculated the median. You have to go and find the deviation now. Okay, deviation. Now what you have to find? Deviation. So add the deviation column, this column. So all the time median is 37.25. X is midpoint. Okay. Calculate midpoint. So 5 minus 37.5. 5 minus 37.25 is equal to 32.25. Correct? Okay. Then 15 minus 37.25. How much? 22.25. All the time this minus, it will actually minus 22.25 will come. You have to drop the minus. Should not keep the minus. Okay. Then 32 minus 37.25. That is sorry, 25 minus 37.25. That is 12.5. Then 35 minus 37.25 is 2.25. Then 45 minus 37.25 is 7.75. Then 55 is one more, 10 more. Then another 10 more. Then another 10 more. Because this is also increasing by 10. This is also increasing by 10. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply F into absolute value of T. This column, F into absolute value of T. So 20 into 32.25. 20 into 32.25 is equal to 645. Okay. Same way, midpoint 15 into 22.25. 556.25. Then 25 into 12.25. 392. 25 into 12.2. Then 35 into 2.25. 35 into 2.25, 90. And 45 into 7.75. 45 into 7.75. That is 325.5. Then 55 into 17.75, 621.2. 65 into 27. That is 270. Then 75 into 37.75. Okay. Then gives you 302. 75 into 37.75. Okay, you can just use calculator. 77 one value you can see. 75 into 37.75. $75 into 37.75. 0.75 equal to oh, how do you get out of this? $75 into 37 point.
Uncle, it's 283, 2831.25.
Sorry, we should not multiply that. How to go back here? This stupid calculator.
Uncle, tell me, Uncle, I have a calculator. Uncle, if you should not multiply, then what?
No, I should multiply. Not M into D, but F into D. 8
F
into
into D.
37.25.
Okay.
It's the stupidest calculator I have ever seen. You have to multiply. Frequency F into
Yeah, Uncle, it's
D is equal to
298.
37 point.
298, Uncle.
302.
302.
So 302 is correct. So like that again. 35 into F into D. Okay. 35 into. So what I should do is F into D. 20 into 32 give you 645. 25 into 22.25. 556. 32 into 12.25. 40 into 2.25. 90. 42 into 7.75. Like that, 8 into 37.75. 302. Then all the things you add up, 3,209. All this you do with calculator. So no, I'm not going to show you how to do that. Okay. Then sum up all the F also. That is also equal to N is equal to 212. Okay. Now mean deviation about median is equal to 3209.5 divided by 212. That's all.
Okay.
That is equal to 15.14. Now, if you want to find the coefficient, divide that 15.14 by the median. Median was 37.25. You get 0.41. Okay. Like that. You did first and second sums is correct. So let us go and do third sum now.
Uncle, on the second sum, something was wrong, Uncle.
What happened to second sum? Correct only, no?
You told that.
Let us do third sum now.
Q3
What happened to second sum? Already said correct.
No, I think if you check the images, you said Q3 107.
Let us do third sum. At least 5 sums we should do now. We can do it. Let us move fast.
Okay.
You find the lower quartile. Lower quartile means find lower quartile means what? Find Q1. Then upper quartile means find Q3. Then
Okay.
7th decile means D7. Then 5th decile means D5. Then 60th percile means 5, P60. Okay, that you have to find. This given for frequency distribution. So
Okay.
data is class data, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Now you got this class. Next what you have F. F is 1, 3, 11, 21, 43, 32, and 9. Okay, 32 and 9. Okay. Now what you have to do? Lower quartile, upper quartile, you have to find CF, cumulative frequency. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 11,
15.
15, 15 plus 21,
36.
36, 36 plus 43, 36, 46, 56, 76, 79, 79 plus 32, 79, 89, 99, then 9, and then 11, plus 9, 120. Okay, so n is equal to 120. That also you got.
Okay.
Now what you have to find? First quartile. First quartile is equal to n by 4.
N plus 1 by 4.
By 4th, n plus 1 by 4th value. So 121 by 4th. That is equal to 30 point.
Gotcha.
No, this is you should not find n plus 1. You should find nth value only. I think you are not registered that. I told you already. I told you already once. When you are going for class data, you should find only n by 4th value, or n, use only n. Don't use n plus 1.
Okay.
Class data, that means continuous data, use n by 4. Only for raw data, that is point data, and for frequency distribution from raw data. Okay.
Okay.
Only for those two, you have to use n plus 1. If it comes to class data, you have to use only n. Okay. So 120 by 4 is equal to 30th. Where is 30th coming here? Between this and this. Okay. So L is equal to 40. L is equal to 40. F is equal to 21. Okay. F is equal to 21. PCF is equal to 15. 15. Okay. Then class interval is equal to 10. So what is Q1 equal to? 40 plus n by 4th, 30. N by 4th minus
Uncle, what is the full form of What is the full form of PCF?
Hey, how many times to ask? Previous
Sorry, uncle.
value.
Okay, okay. Sorry,
You're
uncle.
almost ending the chapter. You are asking basic questions now. You should have known already. That means you are not studying. Nothing. Then you are getting answers without studying. Okay. This is 40 plus 15 by 21 into 10. Okay, divided by 3 be 5, divided by 3 7. So 50 by 7. That is 7 point what 1 something. Okay, 47. That is equal to 47.14, I think. Okay, 47.14.
Okay.
That is Q1. Now you have to find out Q3. Q3 is equal to 3 by 4 n. Nth value. 3 by 4 nth value is 3 by 4 into n is 120. 30. So 90th value. Where is 90 here? 79. Between this and this, you have 90th value. Okay. So L is equal to 60. And F is equal to 32. PCF is equal to previous cumulative value is equal to 79. Okay. C is equal to 10. So Q3 is equal to L plus 3/4 n is 90 minus PCF 79 divided by 32. F into 10 is equal to 60 plus 79 minus 90 minus 79 is how much?
90 minus 79.
11. Okay. So
Okay.
11 to 10, 110. You gave me a wrong number. That's now they are calling Archana's. Okay, 110 by 32. How much is 110 by 32?
110 by 32.
You told
110. 3.43, uncle.
3.43. Okay, that is 60 plus 3 point. How much you said?
3.43.
That is 63.43 then. So 63.43 Q3. Now lower quartile, upper quartile. Then seventh decile. Seventh decile D7. How to find D7? N
By 10, uncle.
7 by 10 nth value. 7 by 10 nth
Into
value.
value.
Okay. How much is that? 7 by 10 into n. N is 120. It is 84th value.
Okay.
What is 84th value? Again coming in this thing.
84th.
Okay, so L
Yeah.
is equal to 60. Okay, F is equal to 32. 7n by 10 is equal to 84. Then C is equal to 10. Then D7 is equal to 60 plus 84 minus the PCF. What is PCF? PCF for this is 79. PCF is 79. 84 minus 79 divided by F 32 into 10. 60 plus 5 by 5 into 10 is 50 by 32. How much is 50 by 32?
50 by 32. Okay.
0.56, I think. 1.56.
1.56.
Yeah, 60 plus 1.56. 61.56 is equal to D7. Okay. Then now you have to find out percentile of what? 60. 60th percentile you have to find 60 by 100 into n. 60 by 100 into 120. 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 into 120, 360 by 5 is equal to 72nd value. Where is 72nd value? Inga varudhu. 72nd is coming here. 72nd. Okay. So L is equal to 50. L is equal to 50. Then frequency F is equal to 43. PCF is equal to 36. C is always equal to 10. Okay. Now what you have to do? P60 is equal to 50 plus how much was 60 by 72 minus PCF by 36 divided by 43 into 10. 76 minus 72 minus 36 is 36 into 10 divided by 43. 50 plus P60 is equal to, that is equal to 50 plus 360 by 43. How much is 360 by 43?
360 by 8.372, uncle.
Very good, very good. 8.37. Okay. 8.37. So that is equal to 58.37 percentile. P60 is equal to 58.37. That's all the sum. Okay, I'm going to copy this and put it in your thing. Very simple, no? Very carefully you have to do. That's all.
Uncle,
Don't
screenshot
make
and send me.
mistakes in your steps. That's all. Otherwise, very simple, straightforward sums. Okay. Now let us go to next sum. slow down. I want you to do more. So what we have done, that sum you have done now. Fourth sum you do for homework. Okay. Let us do fifth sum now. Let us do fifth sum now. Take down fourth sum homework.
Okay, uncle.
Very easy because we did already. Now fifth sum I will do. Okay. Fifth sum. The price of a commodity increased by 5% from 2004 to 2005, 8% from 2005. Now and 77% 2006. Now if it is increasing every year, which means we should use?
Continuous frequency, uncle.
Huh?
Continuous.
Wait. Arithmetic mean or geometric mean or harmonic mean? Which mean we should use? It is increasing every year. I told you now. Census is increasing every year. Some other economic values, the tonnage is increasing every year. Which value you should use?
Harmonic, okay.
Harmonica. Harmonic is used for rates. That means you are not understanding anything, man, or you are not listening. What mean you should use?
Arithmetic, uncle.
Huh?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic. Arithmetic must be used only for raw values. Boss, you are not understanding, huh? Only plain data is given, you should use arithmetic mean.
Okay.
If changing data is given, always you should use geometric mean. If data, rate-based data is given, 50 kilometers per hour or 50 kilometers per liter or something by something, it is given, then you should use harmonic mean. So many times I'm telling you are not catching. So which mean you should use here? Data is changing over every year. What mean you should use? Again, I tell you one last time. Raw data is given, you should use
Arithmetic, uncle.
Raw data is given, you should use only arithmetic mean. Data is changing over every year, like that changing data every month or every year or every day. Data is changing. Okay, that you have to use geometric mean. Then harmonic mean means rate-based data is given, number of kilometers per liter or kilometers per hour, or number of periods per semester, something like that is given. Use harmonic mean.
So now
in this case, what mean
arithmetic, uncle.
Huh?
Geometric.
Finally you are getting you have to use geometric mean. Okay. Now what you have to do? Very simple. First year commodity, you take that commodity initial value is 100 because it is percentage. Initial value is 100. Okay. Percentage rise is 5. So that means X is 105 first year. Okay. Then percentage value is 8. Then increased by 8. Okay. Percentage increase. Okay. This is percentage. So 8. Third year it increased by 77. So percentage value is 177. Okay. Now geometric mean you should find out. What you should find out is geometric mean. This is raw data. Raw or point data is given. Okay. No frequency is given. So very simple. Log of X you have to find out. Okay. What is log of 105? You have calculator. I have calculator. Tell me log of 105.
2.021, uncle. 2.021.
2.021. Okay, correct. 2.021. Okay. Then log of 8. Sorry, log of 108.
2.033.
Very good. Log of 177.
2.247, uncle.
2.248 because you have to. Then you have to find sigma log of x. Okay. Then you have to find what is n. N here is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all 3 values. N is 3. Sigma log of x by n. So geometric mean is equal to anti-log of sigma log of x by n. Okay. Now how much? 1, 3, 8 plus 1, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 0, 2, 3. 6.302. Okay. So 6.302 is your total. Sum you are doing now. Should sum, no? 6.302 you are getting. Okay. Then anti-log of 6.302 divided by 3. Okay. That is equal to 3 will go in that 2 one time, 0 2 one time. Okay. Anti-log of 2.101. So find anti-log of 2.101. Anti-log 2.101 anti-log. So this is the answer. What is the answer?
26.183.
183, or you can round it off and say 26.2%. Okay.
Okay.
So the average increase, we should not find arithmetic mean because it is changing over every year. Okay. Whenever you find the geometric mean, remember census data. Census data is increasing every year, but it is increasing at a geometric mean. Okay. That is very geometric progression is making like that. So understand that, and whenever data that is changing over the years or changing over the months or changing over the weeks, any data that is changing is given. Okay, immediately you should go for geometric mean. After this, I will not hear you scratching your head. When to use geometric mean, you should not scratch your head. Whenever the data is changing over the years or over the months or over the weeks, when data is changing, use geometric mean. When data is given as rates, as kilometer per liter or kilometer per hour or number of semesters per number of hours subjects per semester, something like that. X divided by Y when it's given like that, or kilograms per or tons per month or something like that. When rates are given, always use when rates are given, always use harmonic mean. Okay, when changes across the years or months or weeks or whatever are given, changes across time, always use geometric mean. Only when raw data is given, use arithmetic mean. Okay, data is given alone without any rates or without any changes, then only use arithmetic mean. Understood? Okay, now this also I'm going to post. You got it? Very easy once you understand it. Okay. Let us go back and we'll do one more sum. We have to do one more sum. I thought we'll do at least 4 sums. You're not able to do. So which one we finished now?
Fifth one, uncle.
Fifth one we finished. Okay. Now I do sixth one, you do seventh one for homework and come.
Okay, uncle.
Then you will understand. Aeroplane flies along the 4 sides of a square at speeds of 100 kilometers per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed? What is average now? Which mean you should calculate? This is
harmonic,
right.
uncle.
Which mean you should calculate?
Harmonic.
Very good. Excellent, man. Now you got the picture. Okay. Very simple. Okay. Harmonic mean we have to find very simple. Okay. In this case, it is only point value. Point value is given n divided by 1 by x power I, sigma x power I. Okay. Is equal to harmonic mean. This is the simple formula you have to use. Sigma x power I. That is equal to n is 4. 4 sides, no? 4 speeds. 1 by x1 is 1 by 100. X2 is 1 by 200. X3 is 1 by 300. And X4 is 1 by 400. That's all. This is all the answer. What is the LCM for all this? 1200.
1200. Yeah.
Okay. This is into 12, so you get 12. I mean 4 divided by 12 plus. This is into 6, so 6. This is into 4, so top also 4 plus 4. This is into 3, so top also 3 plus 3. 12 plus 6?
18, uncle.
18 plus 4?
22.
22 plus 3?
25.
So 4 divided by 25 by 1200. That is equal to 4 by 25 into 1200. Okay. 25 will go in 1200 how many times? In 120, 25 will go 4 times. Remainder is 20 in 208 times. Okay. So 48. 48 into 4. 32, 16, 192. So answer is 192. Harmonic mean is 192. Okay. So 192 kilometers per hour is the speed. Okay. You should not take arithmetic mean for this. Okay, we finished that. Shall we do one more sum or time over?
Time over. Okay.
Over. Okay. Now what you do the other sum, next sum.
7th. Okay.
7th sum for homework and come. Next class we will finish I do 8, 9. I do 8, and you can do other sums. 9 and 10 very easy homework. 11 also homework. 12 and 13 I do in class. 14, 15 you can do homework. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now what you have to do? 7 sum you have to do homework. If I had done 8 sum, easily you can do 9 and 10 homework. Okay, let us leave it. We'll do it tomorrow.
Sure, uncle.
Okay, I'll post this on your WhatsApp now.
And uncle, are you okay? Uncle, are you okay? Are you okay with the change?
Are you
okay with the change of timings?
Yeah, 5 to 6 we'll do from Thursday onwards.
5 to 6, okay,
5
uncle.
to 6 we'll do Thursday onwards.
Sure,
okay.
uncle.
Okay. Okay, man. All the best then. Bye.
Sure. Thank you, uncle. Have a nice day.
Enjoy your schooling.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Thanks, auntie.
You wear double mask and go.
Okay. Bye, uncle. Thank you.
Okay. Bye, James. Bye-bye.